Hey there! So, you're facing a problem with creating an app purchases on App Store Connect. You mentioned that every time you try, an error message pops up saying an error has occurred. Try again. It must be frustrating, especially since you were able to do it yesterday. You've tried various solutions like using incognito mode, switching browsers, and even changing devices, but sadly, the error still persists. Let's dive into this issue and find a solution together. The solution to your problem lies in checking if you have an unsigned paid apps agreement. To do this, go to the business section in App Store Connect, select your business, and under Agreements, look for the Paid Apps Agreement. In the status column on the right, there should be a button to view and agree to the agreement. Sometimes, these agreements can slip our minds, but they are crucial for ensuring smooth transactions and operations. It's essential to pay attention to these details, even though they might seem minor. Solution aside, it's frustrating that the error message provided by Apple doesn't offer more information on what went wrong. It would definitely make our lives easier if we had more context on what caused the issue in the first place. Nonetheless, by following the steps to check and agree to the Paid Apps Agreement, you should be able to resolve the roadblock you've been facing with in-app purchases. In summary, encountering errors like the one you experienced could be quite common in the world of app development. By understanding the importance of agreements like the Paid Apps Agreement and ensuring they are in place, you can navigate through these hurdles more smoothly. I hope the solution helps you get back on track with creating in-app purchases seamlessly. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any other tech conundrums you might be facing. Until next time, happy coding!